Warm greetings, everyone. My name is Stephius and I'm from 3rd BSc Mathematics CA. So, today's topic is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the intelligence of the machines and the branch of computer science which aims to create it. Why artificial intelligence is important? Computers are fundamentally well suited to performing mechanical computations using fixed programmed rules. Artificial machines perform simple monotonous tasks efficiently and reliably, which humans are ill suited to. For more complex problems, things get more difficult. Unlike humans, computers have trouble understanding specific situations and adapting to new situations. Artificial intelligence aims to improve machine behavior in tackling such complex tasks. When will computers become truly intelligent? To date, all the traits of human intelligence have not been captured and applied together to span an intelligent artificial creator. Currently, artificial intelligence rather seems to focus on lucrative domain specific applications which do not necessarily require the full extent of AI capabilities. There is little doubt out among the community that artificial machine will be capable of intelligent thought in the near future. How does artificial intelligence work? There are many different approaches to artificial intelligence. Some are obviously more suited than others in some cases. Over the past 5 decades, AI research has mostly been focusing on solving specific problems. Numerous solutions have been devised and improved to do so efficiently and reliably. This explains why the field or artificial intelligence is split into many branches ranging from pattern recognition to artificial life, including evolutionary computation and planning. Advantages: it can help improve our way of life. Machines will be able to do jobs that require detailed instructions, mental alertness, and decision making capabilities. Use robots for heavy construction, military benefits, or even for personal assistant at private homes. There will be less injuries and stress to human beings. Many of our health problems now have the possible solution with the use of artificial intelligence in studies at universities. Applications: game playing. There is some AI in them and they play well against people. Speech recognition. Instruct some computers using speech. Understanding natural language. The computer has to be provided with understanding of the domain the text is about, and this is presently possible only for every limited domains. Programming languages used to develop AI: Lisp, Python, Prolong, Java, C++. Artificial intelligence and learning. Using artificial intelligence help instructional designer to provide creative solutions, problem solving strategies, and more interactivity in the learning. For example, games. The games provide interactive learning environment for learners. The intelligence is necessary in computer games when players are competing against other characters which are played by the computer. Most people enjoy playing against the other rather than the machine because other people can provide variable, random, and sometimes unpredictable responses and behaviors. Whereas simply programmed machine will always respond the same way in predictable ways, that mean a player only has to remember the few basic responsible possible and respond to them in order to complete the level. Thank you.